Hello, my name's Julie Lovegrove. I'm a Professor of Human Nutrition at the University of Reading. Our project, called Raising the Pulse, aims to increase the pulse consumption in the UK population. Pulses are an important component of our diet. They're nutrient dense, having high levels of dietary fibre, micronutrients such as iron, and also digestible protein. They also have lower environmental impact compared with wheat, for example. They're able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, which reduces the requirement for nitrogen fertilisers. We're particularly interested in fava beans that are also known as broad beans in the UK. We want to increase pulse consumption per se, but because it's very difficult for some people to change their diets, we decided to look at a staple food, white bread. Bread is purchased by 96% of the population, 90% of which is white bread, and therefore we will reach the whole population group. What we want to do is to replace some of the nutrient-poor wheat flour in white bread, in addition to the soya, which is imported and used as an improver in bread, with our fava bean flour. This will increase the nutrient content of the bread, increasing the fibre and the iron content, and also reduce the environmental impact of this bread. We're also going to look at the impact of consuming our Raising the Pulse bread on hunger after eating it, bioavailability of the iron in the bread, and also do 2 consumer studies in the halls of residence at the University of Reading and our catering outlets to investigate consumers' acceptance and preference for pulses, and also whether they will purchase these products. We've been working for 4 months on the study, and preliminary work has shown that we can replace about 25% of the wheat flour with our fava bean flour. This produces bread that looks and tastes really good. There are some aspects that we want to improve, and we'll be working on those over the 3 years. After the project finishes, we'd like to investigate the incorporation of fava bean flour in other foods, and then look at the long-term impact of these sorts of foods on human health.
If you have an exciting food science and technology project that you'd like IFST to showcase, email us at digital@ifst.org.